We are at Zorba on MG Road for Red FM Southside Story Festival on the auspicious occasion of Onam. Surrounded by everything Kerala, from Kathakali painted face to tiger painted men from Pulikali dance of Kerala to the beating of drums Kerala style, and men and women in off-white and golden kasavu saris and flowers and mundus, the dhotis of Kerala. It's tough to believe that we are still in Delhi. And when we reach, the Onam enthusiasm is almost tangible. We get a traditional style welcome with flowers and sandalwood paste dots on our forehead. Extremely beautiful and well manicured lawns, along with amazing flower decorations in many colors, greet us at the venue. The Onam Sadhya meal has been curated by the restaurant Mahabali. We already had a sneak peek into their finger-licking Sadhya meal along with Red FM team comprising Radio Karohan and RJ Hina a few days before Onam. If you didn't know, Sadhya is a pure vegetarian meal from Kerala and this is served during festivals and celebrations. Lucky for us, we were going to relish this Sadhya meal again here during Onam. As food and travel enthusiasts, we can say Kerala Sadhya is virtually culture travel through the root of our bellies. We made our way towards the dining hall.
Delhi is celebrating Kerala's Onam festival and we are here at Zorba for Red FM Southside Story, and a part of this is Sadhya meal that we previewed earlier at Mahabali, and right now we are going for our Sadhya meal, which is a pure vegetarian meal. It's served on banana leaf with a lot of small bites of everything, and then you're supposed to eat it with your hand. So we are going to experience this, and happy Onam to everybody.
The diners are being seated in batches, and the community feast reminds us of Durga Puja community lunch. Sadhya is typically served on a banana leaf and eaten with fingers, no cutlery thank you. A host of Sadhya dishes were served one after the other on our banana leaves. What is interesting is that each item has a specific location where it is served on the banana leaf platter. There are a myriad items at the Sadhya. The chief dish is plain boiled rice, served along with other dishes collectively called, and do forgive the pronunciation, kutan. This includes curries like parippu, sambar, rasam, puliseri, and other dishes like kalan, avial, thoran, olan, pachari, khichdi, kothukari, mango pickle, pulinji, narangi achar or our lemon pickle. More accompaniments if you please, such as papadam, plantain chips, banana, plain curd and buttermilk are placed on our platter. Rice pudding or payasam is served at the end as dessert. The platter looks so good that Bedobroto wants to pose, but the big size of the platter and the relatively small size of that chappy has become a real issue. It was a riot of colors and flavors, and our taste buds were dancing in pleasure. The food is finger-licking delicious, well, literally so.
We just got done with the Sadhya meal, and it was a spread. There was red rice, lot of vegetables. There was avial and a whole lot of chutneys and pickles. Here too, it was served on banana leaf, like in West Bengal. And then again, this meal was also predominantly, the cereal was rice, so that also reminded me of like home. Oh, and the dessert was rice pudding, so what we call payash in West Bengal. So yeah, this is what Mera Bharat Mahan, the whole country somehow is bound with common little factors all over.
Red FM's Southside Story aims to present not only food, but music, art and culture from Kerala in a very contemporary style. What's an Indian festival without music? The stage was being set for the evening performance by bands Ogum and Thaikuram Bridge. Delhi is a melting pot of cultures and traditions. This was our first time attending an Onam special in Delhi, and we look forward to being part of many more events like this. Thank you, Team Mahabali and Team Red FM. We had a gala time being part of this fabulous Onam celebration in Delhi. Do share your Onam stories with us in comments. A very happy Onam to everybody. If you enjoyed this video, tell your friends about us. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.